These viral-level useful gadgets are here to make life smoother, smarter, and way more fun. Whether you're trying to sleep better, cook faster, or just stop losing your keys, there's something in here that'll blow your mind. You can buy every single one of them from the links in the description. So let's dive into the list. At number 1, Tile by Life360. Never lose your keys, wallet, or even your sanity again with Tile by Life360. This tiny Bluetooth tracker packs a serious punch when it comes to finding your stuff. Attach it to anything important and track it via your phone in real time using the Tile app. The range is impressive, and if your item is out of Bluetooth reach, the global Tile network can help locate it. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free locating. The sleek design means it won't bulk up your keychain or bag. It's water-resistant, durable, and has a replaceable battery. For anyone who's constantly asking, where did I put that? This one's a game changer. At number 2, MUSICOZY sleep headphones. Say goodbye to uncomfortable earbuds and hello to sleep-friendly sound with MUSICOZY sleep headphones. This all-in-one eye mask and Bluetooth headset lets you fall asleep to music, podcasts, or white noise in total comfort. Made with super soft memory foam and breathable fabric, it's perfect for side sleepers too. The sound quality is surprisingly rich for something so compact and cozy. With 10+ hours of playtime, it'll last through your entire sleep cycle. And yes, it's washable. Just remove the Bluetooth module and toss it in the laundry. Whether you're traveling so relaxing or blocking out snoring roommates, this is the ultimate sleep upgrade. Seriously, once you try it, you'll never go back. At number 3, Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Meal prep just got a glow up with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. This gadget turns slicing, dicing, and chopping into a satisfying one-push process. It comes with multiple blade attachments. The catch tray underneath means less mess, and it's all dishwasher safe. Hello, easy cleanup. The blades are razor sharp, made of stainless steel, and perfect for everything from onions to zucchini. Plus, there's a safety guard for your fingers, so no stress when you're in a rush. If you want to eat healthier without hating the prep, this thing is your new best friend. TikTok level satisfying with real-world usefulness. At number 4, Geekey Multi-tool. It's a keychain. It's a bottle opener. It's a screwdriver. Actually, it's all of those and more. The Geekey Multi-tool is a pocket-sized lifesaver that crams over 16 functions into one compact piece of metal. You get a wire stripper, bike spoke tool, box opener, wrench, and more without needing a toolbox. Made from stainless steel, it's built to last and TSA compliant for travel. Whether you're an outdoorsy type, a DIYer, or just someone who likes to be prepared, this little gadget makes sure you're never caught off guard. At number 5, HyperChiller. Instantly chill your coffee or any drink in under 60 seconds. No more watering down your iced coffee or waiting forever for hot drinks to cool. Just pop the HyperChiller in the freezer, pour your drink into it, swirl for a bit, and boom, chilled perfection. It uses a triple-layer design that rapidly absorbs heat without diluting your drink. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and works with everything from cocktails to soda. Ideal for students, remote workers, or anyone constantly reaching for cold caffeine. The minimalist design also fits neatly in your fridge door. Honestly, it's the hack you didn't know you needed. At number 6, RingConn Gen 2 Air. Track your sleep, health, and productivity with a ring that's smarter than most watches, literally. The RingConn Gen 2 Air packs advanced sensors into a sleek, stylish band that tracks heart rate, sleep cycles, oxygen levels, and more. It's super lightweight and made of durable titanium, so you barely feel it on your finger. With up to 7 days of battery life, you're not charging it every night like a smartwatch. It syncs with your phone to give you deep insights into your health and recovery. Plus, it looks more like jewelry than tech, so it fits your aesthetic. Ideal for biohackers, fitness lovers, or anyone chasing optimal performance. It's smart health tracking without the bulk. At number 7, the 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station is your new secret weapon for mastering mornings. It's got 2 upper griddle compartments that let you cook eggs, bacon, pancakes, or whatever combo your cravings demand all at once. Plus, there's a built-in toast drawer underneath, so you can make 2 slices of toast while your breakfast sizzles up top. The ceramic nonstick surface is not only super easy to clean, but also free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so your meals stay healthy and hassle-free. A built-in timer takes the guesswork out of cooking, while the glass lid with a steam vent lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without letting heat escape. Cool touch handles make it safe to move around. This gadget doesn't just cook, it brightens up your whole kitchen. At number 8, Cordless Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Dust mites and crumbs. Beware. The cordless bed vacuum cleaner is here to fight back. Designed specifically for mattresses, sofas, and soft furniture, this powerful little gadget deep cleans where your standard vacuum can't. It uses UV light and strong suction to kill bacteria and suck up allergens. Cordless design means you can take it anywhere, and it's surprisingly lightweight. The HEPA filter ensures clean air gets released back out, making it allergy-friendly. It's rechargeable, easy to store, and oddly satisfying to use. If you've ever questioned what's living in your mattress, this is your answer. Clean sleep starts here. Automotive Escape Tool. The Automotive Escape Tool is a lifesaver for car emergencies. It features a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker, ensuring you can quickly escape in case of an accident. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store in your glove compartment or attach to your keys for quick access. BEBIRD Paracord Bracelet. The BEBIRD Paracord Bracelet is a stylish accessory with serious survival utility. It includes a fire starter, compass, and whistle, all woven into durable paracord that can be unraveled for use in emergencies. It's lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The UV Sanitizer and Dryer is the ultimate way to keep your personal items clean. This device uses powerful UVC light to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and germs from everyday items like phones, toothbrushes, and baby bottles. It also has a built-in drying function, making it great for sanitizing wet items. Just place your object inside, close the lid, and let the UV light do its magic in minutes. It's compact, portable, and perfect for home, office, or travel use. The automatic shutoff feature ensures safety, and the quiet operation won't disturb your surroundings. With hygiene more important than ever, this gadget is a must-have for staying clean and germ-free. The automatic stirring coffee mug is perfect for those who love a hassle-free cup of coffee. This self-stirring mug mixes your drink with the press of a button-nose spoon. Required, whether it's coffee, hot chocolate, or protein shakes, this gadget blends everything smoothly without lumps. The BEBIRD R1 Wax Removal tool for ear is a high-tech way to keep your ears clean and healthy. This isn't your regular cotton swab. It's a smart ear cleaner with a built-in 1080p HD camera that connects to your phone in real time. With 6 LED lights, you get a crystal clear view of your ear canal to safely and effectively remove wax. The soft silicone tip ensures a gentle cleaning experience, so you don't have to worry about irritation. It's rechargeable and comes with multiple replacement tips, making it hygienic for repeated use. The best part? You can even use it to check small areas like your nose or even your pet's ears. If you love smart gadgets, this one is oddly satisfying to use. The magnetic measuring spoons are the perfect addition to any kitchen for quick and precise measurements. These stainless steel spoons have a dual-ended design, allowing you to measure both liquid and dry ingredients without switching tools. The magnetic feature keeps them neatly stacked together, so you'll never lose a spoon in your messy drawer again. They come with clearly marked measurement sizes, ensuring accuracy for all your cooking and baking needs. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup super easy. Whether you're a pro in the kitchen or just starting, this set will make cooking more fun and efficient. The Rotary cheese grater makes grating cheese, vegetables, and nuts effortless. Unlike traditional graters that require tons of effort, this gadget features a rotating drum blade that lets you grate with minimal pressure. Just place your ingredient in the chamber, turn the handle, and watch it work like magic. The sharp stainless steel blades provide fast and even grating. Cleaning is easy, too. Just rinse it under running water or throw it in the dishwasher. This grater will save you time and effort. The BEAUTURAL fabric shaver is the ultimate tool to refresh your clothes and furniture in seconds. This powerful gadget removes lint, fuzz, and pilling from fabrics, making your sweaters, sofas, and blankets look brand new. It features adjustable shaving heights, a safety lock, and a large shaving surface for fast and efficient use. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and it even comes with a replaceable stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance. Whether it's for home or travel, this gadget is a game changer for keeping fabrics fresh. It's USB rechargeable, so no need to keep buying batteries. Just glide it over your clothes and boom! If you want your outfits to stay crisp and clean, this is a must-have. The KEPEAK Military Tactical Pen isn't just for writing. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, this pen doubles as a glass breaker and a self-defense tool. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while its sturdy tip can handle emergency situations like breaking windows. Lightweight and discreet, this pen combines functionality with safety, making it a must-have for everyday carry. Small pocket knife. Compact, versatile, and razor-sharp, The small pocket knife is a reliable companion for any adventure. Its stainless steel blade is corrosion-resistant and designed for durability. The knife features a secure locking mechanism, ensuring safe use, while its ergonomic handle provides excellent grip. Perfect for cutting, slicing, or small repairs, this pocket-sized tool is essential for survival kits. Wallet Ninja Multi-tool. The Wallet Ninja Multi-tool is a pocket-sized powerhouse designed to tackle 18 different tasks, all while fitting perfectly in your wallet. Made from heat-treated steel, this ultra-slim tool includes a bottle opener, screwdriver, ruler, box cutter, and even a phone stand. It's TSA approved, so you can take it anywhere. Zacro LED Reflective Vest. The Zacro LED Reflective Vest is a lifesaver for low-light situations. Equipped with bright LED lights and reflective strips, it ensures you're visible from all angles. Adjustable straps provide a snug fit, and its lightweight design makes it comfortable to wear during night runs, cycling, or roadside emergency. Hidden camera detectors. Hidden camera detectors are essential for maintaining your privacy in today's tech-driven world. Compact and easy to use, this gadget uses infrared light to detect hidden cameras in hotel rooms, Airbnbs, or offices. With its portable design, you can carry it discreetly in your pocket or bag. The detector ensures peace of mind, allowing you to quickly scan for cameras and protect your personal space. Remarkable too, this ultra-thin digital notepad is perfect for those who love the feel of writing on paper but want the convenience of digital notes. It's designed to be distraction-free, so you can focus without notifications or apps pulling your attention away. The paper-like display makes reading and writing effortless, reducing eye strain while keeping everything neatly organized. You can convert handwritten notes into text, making it easy to edit and share them. It syncs across devices, so your notes are always accessible. Plus, the long battery life means you won't be stuck charging it all the time. If you want a clutter-free, productivity-boosting writing experience, this gadget is a must-have. Nextmug Heating Mug. Cold coffee is the enemy of productivity, and this self-heating mug ensures your drink stays at the perfect temperature for hours. With adjustable heat settings, you can keep your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate warm without needing constant trips to the microwave. It's battery-powered and rechargeable, making it super convenient for long work sessions. The sleek design looks great on any desk and fits easily into your routine. It even comes with an auto-off feature, so you don't have to worry about wasting battery life. This mug keeps your drink just right. ProtoArc wireless mouse source. A good mouse can make all the difference in your workflow, and this one is designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. It features an ergonomic design that reduces wrist strain, making it perfect for long work hours. With multiple connectivity options, you can seamlessly switch between devices without any hassle. The precision tracking ensures smooth navigation. Plus, the silent clicks mean you won't disturb anyone around you, making it ideal for shared workspaces. The rechargeable battery lasts for weeks. If you want a mouse that enhances speed and comfort, this is the one to get. The Anker laptop docking station. If you're juggling multiple devices, this docking station is a game changer for streamlining your workspace. It offers multiple USB ports, HDMI, and even an Ethernet connection, allowing you to turn your laptop into a full workstation. Whether you need to connect external monitors, charge devices, or transfer files quickly, this hub has you covered. The sleek, compact design makes it easy to carry, making it perfect for remote workers and digital nomads. It supports high-speed data transfer, so you won't be stuck waiting for files to move. Plus, it's universally compatible with most laptops. If you want to boost your desk setup's efficiency, this is a must-have gadget. Your desk lamp with clamp. Good lighting is essential for productivity, and this clamp-on desk lamp ensures your workspace is well lit without taking up extra space. It features adjustable brightness and color temperatures, so you can customize it to reduce eye strain. The flexible arm allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, whether you're reading, writing, or working on a computer. It clips easily to the edge of your desk, keeping your workspace clutter-free. The LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you need a lighting upgrade for your desk, this is the perfect solution. The Mind Reader footrest. Sitting for long hours can lead to discomfort, but this ergonomic footrest helps improve posture and circulation. It provides support for your legs and feet, reducing strain on your lower back. The angled design allows you to rock your feet back and forth, promoting movement even while sitting. It's made from durable materials that provide a comfortable yet firm resting surface. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place, even on smooth floors. Whether you're working at a desk or gaming for hours, this footrest keeps you comfortable. If you want to upgrade your sitting experience, This is a simple but effective addition to your workspace. The Vari VariDesk Pro Plus 36. Sitting all day isn't ideal, and this standing desk converter helps you switch between sitting and standing effortlessly. It features a spacious two-tier design that holds both your monitor and keyboard at an ergonomic height. The adjustable height settings make it easy to find the perfect position for your comfort. The sturdy build ensures stability, so you don't have to worry about wobbling. It requires no assembly, just place it on your existing desk and start using it immediately. Studies show that alternating between sitting and standing improves focus. If you want to improve your work setup and stay energized throughout the day, this is a fantastic choice. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.